Question 9 is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2. So here you can see angle 1 and angle 2 both have same side. That's why angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent. By observing the figure we can come to conclude that yes, angle 1 and 2 having a common vertex O and a common arm OC. That's why angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2. Now is angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE? अब AOC और AOE they have a common vertex O and common arm OA, but they are no common arm on both sides of the common arm. That's why angle AOC is not adjacent to angle AOE. AOC is a part of angle AOE. Question number 3, do COE is a linear pair of EOD? You can see EOC and EOD having a common vertex O and common arm OE. When we put that OC and OD, they form a line so that it is a linear pair. Now fourth part, angle BOD and angle DOA are complementary. So BOD and DOA, you can see that common vertex is O, common arm is OD. When we put OA and OB, these are opposite to each other or forming a line. That's why they are supplementary angles. So it will be yes. Now angle 1 is vertically opposite to angle 4. So here you can directly see these angles are formed by the intersection of two lines AB and CD. That's why they are vertically opposite. What is the vertical opposite of angle 5? So you can see AB and CD के इंटरसेक्शन से एंगल 5 फॉर्म हुआ है, तो 5 का अपोजिट यहाँ पे 2 और 3 दोनों आ रहे हैं. दैट्स वाई angle 2 plus angle 3, or we can say angle COB is the opposite of angle 5. Now question number 10, what is the vertically opposite angle? Here how many vertical opposite angles are there? So angle 1 and angle 4 are vertical opposite, angle 5 and angle 2 plus 3 is vertically opposite. Now 11, linear pairs. So here you can see 1 and 5 is forming a linear pair, 5 and 4 is forming a linear pair, angle 4, angle 3 and angle 2 are also forming a linear pair. Question number 11, in the following figure is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? So here you can see angle 1 and angle 2 are not adjacent angles because they are not lie on the same vertex. यहाँ पे angle 1 की vertex कुछ और है और angle 2 की vertex कुछ और given है. So that's why they are not adjacent angles. Now here you can see angle 12. Question number 12, find the value of x, y and z. Here you can see this angle x is directly vertically opposite to 52. These are forming, so we can write x equals to 55, which is vertically opposite angle. And x and y, these two angles are forming a linear pair. This is a straight line you can see. So x and y is having a sum of 180 degree. So x plus y is equal to 180 degree, linear pair. Angle y equal 180 minus 55, एंगल 125. y z के इक्वल हो जाएगा बाद में, तो z is also equals to y, vertically opposite angle. These angles are vertically opposite. Now next, this is second part of this question. Here z is vertically opposite to 40, you can see. So z is directly equals to 40. उसके बाद y and 40 both are forming a linear pair, y and 40. So we can write y plus 40 is equal to 180. So y plus y is equal to 180 minus 40. So y is equal to 140. 40x and 25 are also forming a linear pair. So here we can write 40 plus x plus 25 equal 180 also, or that's why x is equal to 155. On a straight line we can find it, as same it is given. Question 13, find the fill in the blanks. If two angles are complementary then their sum of their measures is 90 degree. जब भी दो एंगल कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री होते हैं तो उनका सम 90 होता है. सेकेंड पार्ट, इफ टू एंगल्स आर सप्लीमेंट्री देन द सम ऑफ देयर मेजर इज 180 डिग्री. टू एंगल्स आर फॉर्मिंग अ लीनियर पेयर आर ऑलवेज सप्लीमेंट्री, क्योंकि जो लीनियर पेयर होता है उसमें एंगल्स का सम 180 डिग्री होता है. दैट्स वाई दे आर सप्लीमेंट्री. Question 4, if two adjacent angles are supplementary they form a linear pair. Question 5, if two lines intersect at a point then the vertically opposite angles are always equal. These are always equal by the vertically opposite angle property. 6, if two lines intersect at a point, if one of the vertically opposite angle are acute then other pair of vertically opposite angles are. अगर एक पेयर एक्यूट होगा तो दूसरा पेयर ऑब्ट्यूज होता है. Now question 14, in the adjoining figure the following pair of angles. अब इसमें हमें ऑब्ट्यूज वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स बताने हैं जो ऑब्ट्यूज हों. तो एंगल AOD and angle BOC, these are obtuse angles and these are obtuse vertically opposite angle also. Adjacent complementary angles, so we can say EOA and AOB, these are adjacent complementary angles. Equal supplementary angles, you can see angle EOB and angle EOD both are supplementary and both are equal, क्योंकि ये 90 डिग्री यहाँ पे दिख रहे हैं. EOB and EOD ये इक्वल सप्लीमेंट्री हैं. अनइक्वल सप्लीमेंट्री में हम यहाँ लिख सकते हैं एंगल EOA और एंगल EOC, ये भी लिख सकते हैं. इसके अलावा एक और पेयर भी है, एंगल AOB भी लिख सकते हैं एंड एंगल AOD भी लिख सकते हैं. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ पेयर हेयर. Many pairs, one more pair is also there, BOC and COD we can also write. Now adjacent angle that do not form a linear pair, ऐसे एंगल लिखने जो लीनियर पेयर नहीं बना रहे हैं, लाइक AOB एंड AOE. अब AOB और AOE मिलके 180 डिग्री नहीं बना रहे हैं, सो दीज आर एडजेसेंट बट नॉट लीनियर पेयर. AOE EOD, these are also not forming linear pair but they are adjacent. EOD and COD, these are also adjacent but not forming a linear pair.